Right, good morning everyone. Now I'm just cutting some organza ribbon, and I'm going to be doing a couple of flowers. They're just basic flowers, that's all. You've seen me do these dozens of times. I don't really need to, you know, keep filming because they're all on the internet, but all on the website. But people like to see me do them, so, you know, the only thing is I get off my backside and do it. So, what I'm going to do is just, I've cut these at about 4 inches long. I'm just sealing off the ends so they don't fray. And I've cut 6 petals, so we'll do a 6 petal one. If I generally only do a 5, to be honest. A lot of people do 6s and you don't need to. I sometimes like the look of them if they are just 5. But I've done 6, so we'll see how we get on. Right, so we've sealed that off. Now I just need my needle and thread. Make sure there's a knot in the end. Right, and we're just going to basically gather them up. And I'm still waiting to hear. I'll have to look and see who wanted the cream kit, and I will be doing some more kits today. Please, I know I've had people saying I wanted the kit but it's gone. I've marked them as sold. They do sell really quickly. We're known for our kits because we put a lot into our kits, and so they sell pretty quick. So now what I'm going to do is just to pull that a little bit, and then we just knot that. And I don't want it too tight. It's got a little hole in the middle. That's fine. Where are we? Here we are. I'm just going to knot this. I'm going to do a triple knot just for safety. No other reason. Excuse me. And that's going to enable me to, there we go, pull these round a bit. Now that's with 6 petals. It is a full flower. So that's the bottom layer. So I'm just going to do that again. I might actually put a pearl in it, so I may do a 3rd layer, which will be 3 petals. And the more gather you've got in them, the less likely they are to pucker. That's a big no-no for, but it's what a lot of people do. They don't put enough laces and ribbons in their flowers, and what happens is they pucker. I'm going to do the 3. But that is one of the biggest no-nos, is not putting enough fabric or ribbon or lace, whatever you're doing your flowers with. You're not cutting enough to make them lay flat. I mean, that's not laid flat now. if you look at it, because it's lifted, but I've 2 layers on that. If it was just the bottom layer, it would be flat. And you can make these for your headbands and whatnot. They look really good. In fact, that's something we could have done, couldn't we? Yeah, I've got a headband here. We might make a headband. We'll see. Get rid of that. Pulling it, but not too tight. So I do want the inner to go through the middle. Right. See? That spread that out a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is attach that. Oh God, I've dropped my finger thing. Into there. Let me just get my finger dobber because I've just dropped it. Ooh, there we go. Right, I'm just going to pop that into the centre. And just hold that down. And you'll see the profile in this, how it's lifted it even more. Somewhere I have some red beads. But I thought, I don't need to recover that now, do I? Look. And I'm going to put at least 2 flowers on this, but I might add some more bits and pieces as well. So I've cut that, maybe a bit wide actually. That'll do, about 1 inch wide. And then what I need to do is, I need to put a snick in here. Like that. And then a snick in there. Like that. I'm going to thread that onto my headband. Now that can be moved. I'm not going to glue it on. I want it to be able to move like that. I'm going to take my flower and straight away I'm going to glue it on here. I'm going to glue it this end. Like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. You know, if you're having a red and cream wedding. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave that there to dry. Got some of these leaves, and I think what I'm going to do is add a couple because I think it'll look nice with them. And then, sorry, I don't know if you saw me do that. Like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. And I don't think you need any more than that. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.